Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. Girl, it's just this hoe. It's hat day. Yes, I got a haircut and then I did not feel like getting up and trying to mess with it because there's not much. When I first get the haircut, it is very short, but in about a week, it's exactly where I want it to be. So anyhow, you guys know, fear the pixie. The pixie needs to be pixied. You know what I'm saying? Like, we have to F's with her. Anyway. Today I am going to unveil a Lady Dior bag that I bought pre-loved. It's from 2012. I will get into the whole spiel. But first, thank you for sponsoring this video. Shesaidyes Jewelry. I love this company, this brand. They've been very, very good to me. And it's one that I really would recommend. I don't feel like going into debt anymore. And I feel like others shouldn't either, but that's your thing. But if you're somebody that's kid is proposing, if you are proposing, if you are knowing anybody that's going to get engaged or needs an anniversary ring or just any kind of nice jewelry, this company right here, very affordable. You decide how much you're going to spend by doing the add-ons. You pick out, of course, the size of the stone. You can pick out the different kinds of gold. They use real gold, okay, in white or yellow or just whatever you want. They use lab created stones as well, and they have all different kinds to choose from. There's all sorts of things that you can find. Just go on the website and check it out. Now I'm going to show you what they sent me. Of course, I'm not in the market for an engagement ring, but if I was, girl, you know, they've sent me a couple of really, really nice engagement rings. But anyway, it comes all packaged up very, very nicely. And girl, check this out. It comes with a ribbon that you can tie up. Comes with a little dust bag that you can put in there, or you can present it to someone like this, or just in the beautiful, expensive luxe box that it comes in. It's a very cool idea. I showed this to my husband the other day and he was like, wow, that's really fancy. I'm like, I know, right? Fancy, but not fancy prices. The prices are great, girl. Okay, so anyhow, little pop-up box. How cute. The ring that I got today, I loved this ring. When I saw it, I was like, oh, please send me this. I took off my other rings. You can see from the indentations on my swollen fingers. But yeah, check it out. Look how stinking cute this is. I'm gonna let it focus. There you go. How cute is that? It reminded me of a pretzel and also a heart. So like it's supposed to be a heart, right? But it also reminded me of pretzels and two things in this world that I love the most: food, pretzels, and hearts. So putting the two together was a no-brainer for me. I was like, yeah, she's the one. I just think this is so cute. It has, it's made of actual real gold. It's white gold, 10 karat, and also lab created stones in there for you. So it's a really, really affordable and nice ring. I just thought I needed to show you guys how great that this company is. I love, highly recommend. So you know the drill. I'm going to post down there in my box 10% off code. Also the website link to this particular ring. If you would like to check it out, you can, no problem. And the thing about it is they're so affordable. You're going to love it. I always tell you guys, don't take my word for it. Even if you're not going to buy today, get over to the website, check out everything they have to offer. I've been scrolling it along for you to see all the stuff, but for you, go check it out. It's great for any occasion. Doesn't matter if you're somebody, I know a lot of families will buy, you know, their teenagers graduation rings, prom rings, stuff like that. That's coming up, of course. It's engagement season. Easter's coming up. There's all kinds of gifts to buy, honey. So definitely go check them out. That is Shesaidyes Jewelry. Tell them I sent you. But go over there and check it out. All right, so here is the unboxing that I promised. Girl, are you ready for this? I already took it out of the box. Now, you guys know my struggle with why do I keep keep buying Dior, Lady Dior medium bags. I don't know why I'm drawn to them, because I had a pink one from Fashion File. She never carried it. I sold it. But I went ahead again and bought this little number, which I thought was really, really cute. I got an extra good deal on it. I wouldn't have done it if this deal hadn't been so great, so I popped on it. I was like, yes. Oh wait, let me put it to the front. Sorry, here you go. So it has the silver hardware. It's navy, sorta. It looks kind of navy. Now, when I got it, all of the corners, well, you can kind of tell in what shape it's in. It's very used, guys. But I'm gonna do a separate video because I actually went in with some Wesselman and sort of cleared up some of the corners. This one was really bad. It was white all the way around here. I have before pictures. I'll have to show you the whole video. But yeah, I sort of videoed myself fixing some of the corners on this. And then the handle up here, it was peeled back and this was all white. What had happened is that somebody had pushed all the leather down. And so I took the Wesselman, pushed all the leather back, and then gave it a good coat. And it dried pretty good. There's some notching. It just looks like, you know, this, I don't know for what reason, this side of the handle saw more action. Ain't that the way it always is? Somebody else is always seeing more action than you, girl. But yeah, somebody was definitely showing this handle a little more love. So it did not come with the actual dust bag, or I ordered a dust bag. She hasn't come yet. But when I do my cleaning video on this one, they stuffed it really well. This came all the way from Dubai. Girl, Dubai. What? But it did come with, it's, I don't know, an authenticity type card. That's, I guess, what they sell. It is written in another couple other languages. It looks like French, English, and maybe Chinese there. But anyhow, showing when it was sold, 6/11/2012. It's got the reference number that's on the actual bag. So it did come with the authenticity card. No strap. I don't know why it is. It's very hard to find replacement pieces. So I think when this one was made in 2012, I think that the strap was a thick, also canage leather piece. So it kind of looked like this, and yeah, leather, but for whatever reason, I feel like people break the pieces up and sell them, but then why can I never find a replacement strap for sale on any of the selling sites, or eBay, or Posh, or Mercari, or anywhere for that matter, Facebook groups? Why? There probably is a Facebook group out there that has maybe a strap that I'm looking for. I don't know. But what I did was, girl, we're going to talk about the smell. We're going to get into that. What I did, because it didn't come with a strap, is I went on to Etsy and I found this $23 guitar strap in almost the same, I was kind of taking a chance, but in almost the same color. This one's a little off, a little different, but I don't think once you're wearing it, people are going to notice. It does have silver hardware, so that was okay. That matched up. But yeah, let me just see. Oh, the smell, guys. I think I told you in my last video that I did that this smelled like rosewater, grandma's rosewater vagine. Listen, I stand by that. Like Caleb says, I said what I said and I meant it, right? Say space though, Caleb. But yeah, I bought this and it doesn't have the actual oblique pattern, but it's kind of a nod to the oblique. It doesn't say Dior, but it looks like it has maybe a D in there. I don't know. I can't really tell the pattern it was trying to go with. It was trying, but it's actually not a total rip off of that. But if you look at, it doesn't look bad. It does not look bad. So if you ever want to crossbody, if I ever want to crossbody this one, yes, it's perfect. It works out really good, actually. So yeah. Now, let's get into the undisclosed smell. So I got this for a great deal. I knew the strap was gone. I knew there was some issues, but I thought, you know, I'm a fixer. Girl, she can get in there and work some magic. And I have so far. I've done pretty well in this bag. Pretty good. But when you don't tell me there's a smell, yeah, I'm a little pissed. So all the way in Dubai, I want to say this was called the Luxury Handbag House or something like that. I'll link it down below. I cannot remember. I cannot remember what it's called, but it just popped up under a Google search. I wasn't even searching for this. I don't remember what the hell. I was probably searching for vintage Birkin or vintage Kelly, as I'm always doing. In the middle of the night, I wake up and grab my phone and look, you know how it is. But girl, she is, when I tell you someone, guys, Hold on. I am, it stinks. God, it's like that thing, you know, when you're pregnant or you're on a crazy road trip and the road makes you nauseous. It's that. Ooh. It's that smell. It's not good. I'm going to tell you, it is not good. But I am going to stuff it with charcoal packs, baking soda, and I'm going to lock it up in the odor chamber. You guys know I already had to fix one of my little No-Way bag. I had to fix that one because it had a horrible mothball smell. So this one, no different. Girl, she's getting locked in the chamber. She's not coming out until grandma's vagina has left the building, okay? I know I'm a grandma, but I strongly urge you to go to the doctor if this smell ever is on your body. I can smell it from here. Like, I hate cigarette smoke, but this is, girl, this is worse than that. But anyway, it's a nice bag. It's still soft. Now, the last one that I got was a first gen Lady Dior from probably late 90s. I think when they first started making them. What did they call them? The Shin Shin bag or something like that. I can't remember. But anyway, and then I guess maybe some royalty, I'm suspecting Lady Di or somebody carried the bag and now they call it the Lady Dior. I don't know the real reason. See, I don't know that much about Dior. I don't have any Dior, so I know nothing. But anyhow, it's very soft. But the first one that I had, that pink one, the stiffness had gone out of the bag. So one side sagged really bad and I had to buy an insert to keep it up. And girl, keeping stuff up is work, as you know. So I was just not down for it. I was like, yeah, the first person that wanted to buy it, I was like, you know what? I'm going to sell that to you. So yeah, the hardware does need cleaning. I did clean the bag a little bit and then I put the Wesselman on there, Wesselman or whatever it's called, and sort of fixed the white. I mean, it was down to the white part of this on each side, and even the corners and the sides right here were all. So the Wesselman I went in with, and just, it's a shiny. What it does is it brings back luster to leather and it sort of shines up, and it's like a leather finish for acrylic when you put, you know, it's acrylic leather finish. There we go. I'll get it. I gotta get this. But anyhow, whew. Yeah, why spray? I would have much rather dealt with whatever smell it had prior to someone putting friggin' perfume inside, because that's what's happened. They have when they've sold the bag. I don't know if it was the place that I bought it from. I'm not really sure. But I could have dealt with the attic smell. I could have dealt with mothballs, even cigarettes. I could have dealt with all of that much better. Whew. Than this old ass perfume nasty smell. It's horrible, guys. It is horrible. So yeah, I am going to load it down with tons of charcoal packs, baking soda, maybe some of my leather wafers. I don't know, but she's definitely gonna get. I know I did this on the mothball bag too, but okay. All right, so there we go. My unboxing. Guys, go over to shesaidyes.com and check out their jewelry. I'll link it down below. Please use my link and check it out. If this Etsy purchase that I bought, these canvas webbing straps that sort of look like the oblique pattern, but they're not really, they're sort of a knock at that. If these are still available on Etsy, I will link the seller and you can go over and check them out. They had several different colors. I just took a shot. This navy would match and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So yeah, she's going to stay in her chamber, and then I'm going to make a video later on about restoring the bag and bringing it back to its natural luster. Yes! All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget, I will have a live on Wednesday, which will be around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the States. It is my collab video coming up on Wednesday with Meredith. Prior to us airing our videos, we're going to go live for just a few minutes, for just a minute, and, you know, talk back and forth. And because Meredith's cool and I want to do that. I'm excited to talk to her. I've you know, texted with her a lot, messaged, but we've never spoken, you know, on FaceTime. So that's going to be fun. Definitely join me Wednesday. Next Saturday, hopefully. I bought a Coach bag again at full price. I know, guys. I know. There's a whole story behind it. Of course. I've always got a reason and an excuse. You'll want to definitely tune in for that. All right. Thank you again. If you'll do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post some stuff. Always look at my community page. That way you'll know when I'm posting links and sale items and just random things. All right. Have a great rest of the week. Yeah, I'll see you back here on Wednesday. Do me a favor though, seriously on this one. Nobody knows nothing. If y'all see my husband though, girl, don't tell him shh, nothing. Bye. Oh my God, guys, I love this ring so much. I could probably wear it on my thumb. Oh, I love it. It's a cool thumb ring. Look at that. You know what it makes me want though? I really would love to have one of those great big pretzels with the cheese on it. Oh man, I love me a huge pretzel with cheese. You already knew that about me, girl. Don't spray any perfume in your bag, guys, for the love of all that's holy. Okay, bye, biatch.